Hollywood Rip Ride Rockit. I've heard of it, and you've probably heard of it too. After all, how could it not be famous? It's located at Universal Orlando in Florida, or should I say was located in, because now it's getting replaced. So I'm making this video to tell you about what the replacement is for the legendary Hollywood Rip Ride Rockit. Universal Studios Orlando just announced exactly what they're replacing Hollywood Rip Ride Rockit with. Now, we don't have a full POV or animation, but they did give us some details. Its coaster type is the second ever drift coaster in the world, and that means it spins and does all sorts of stuff that a regular roller coaster can do, but spinning. And its spinning points, I'm pretty sure, are controlled, so it decides when it spins and when it doesn't. But what does this have to do with Universal Orlando's Hollywood Rip Ride Rockit replacement? Well, what if I told you that Universal Orlando is likely going to be building a drift coaster that includes a 170-foot vertical spike, and the layout will probably be similar to the drift coaster in Hollywood, having multiple launches, inversions, airtime moments, and more, all on a spinning coaster train. This ride definitely seems like it will be amazing, and probably one of the best coasters in Florida. Is it the best? Well, I don't know. Could it beat out rides like Velocicoaster, Stardust Racers, or Iron Gwazi? Well, that's probably for you guys to decide later in the future. Now, that leads me to when this ride will open, and I'm predicting probably around April of 2027. Now, as a result of the replacement, Fast and Furious Supercharged will be permanently closing to make way for the new attraction. I've not been to Universal Orlando yet, but from what I've heard, nobody likes this ride, so it's probably not a big deal that it's gone now. If for some reason that Universal Studios Florida wasn't on the map, well, I think it definitely is now, as this attraction seems crazy and definitely something to check out. I would always love to see what Intamin has to cook up, but this definitely seems like one of their best projects yet. In terms of theming, I don't really know what this coaster is gonna have, but then again, it's Universal, so it'll probably be crazy. I think this coaster will do great things for Universal Studios Florida, as they definitely do now need a standout coaster. Universal Studios Florida definitely does need a thrilling attraction. I think this is the perfect answer. For the plot and park that Intamin was given, I definitely think that they're going to do great things here. Because if you look at some of these shots, it definitely seems like it's a large area of land to fill, and the 170-foot vertical spike will go on the outskirts of Universal City Walk. This coaster already has plenty of footers forward, and the track pieces look to be white. This coaster definitely seems like it will be one of the best coasters in Florida, and I cannot wait to see what Intamin has cooking up. But anyway, see you guys later, and make sure to subscribe.